Hello students, how are you? I hope you all are fine and safe at your home. Now students will start with the chapter number 18 wildlife. This chapter is not new for you. In the previous standard you have studied. Now let's revise. India has a diversified relief and climate. Similar diversity is seen here in the wildlife. In the entire world, students, you have to remember 15 lakh species of the wildlife, out of which 81 to 5 species 215 species found in India. This includes reptiles, mammals, fish, other insects. Exploration means discovery. Continue to identify the other animals found in the different forests. India, you have to remember, sixth position, at the sixth position among the countries rich in the biodiversities. Okay, so total 15 lakh species of wildlife found in India, and India holds sixth position. Now India has a less forest cover compared to its wildlife diversity is noticeable. Zoo geographic regions of India. Natural vegetation regions have been devised on the basis of their characteristic. Similarly, a spatial distribution can be made for animals. The wildlife in India divided into 9 zones. According to the similarities in their characteristic, their existence in any region. These are as follows. So these 9 you have to remember. Himalaya, Ladakh and dry cold area, forest cover in lower Himalayas, highlands without forest cover in upper Himalayas, northern plain, deserts of Rajasthan, Peninsula Plateau, Seacoast and Nilgiri Hills. These all 9 you have to remember. Biodiversity is studied according to these zoo geographic regions. The diversified wildlife of India. The vast alluvial plains of rivers, peninsula plateau, mountainous region, swampy area means muddy area, sea coast, dense rainforest, deciduous forest, coniferous forest in Himalaya, other higher region that form a vast background for the habitation of wildlife in India. The animals seen are Asian elephant in peninsular rainforest, one-horned rhino in swampy Brahmaputra river, snow leopard in higher Himalaya, wild goats and musk deers in Jammu Kashmir, wild buffaloes, tiger in central India and West Bengal, gudkhar in little run of Kutch, flamingo in waterlodge, great run, presence of a great India bustard that seen in grassland. Indian bustard that seen in grasslands area in noted again. So these all you have to remember for MCQ students and for wildlife also. So these include a Siberian crane, pelican, Tibetan duck, conch, kakra, etc. Flying squirrels are found in dense forest of Western Ghats. Nicobari dove, dove matlab pigeon, is a rare bird seen in Nicobar Island. Rare species of corals seen in Gulf of Kutch and Lakshadweep Islands. Along with the mammals, many different types of birds, 4 lakhs of animals, mammals, many different types of birds are also seen. Notice should be taken of the king cobra, snake, python in Goa, that also. Sea coast, other water bodies, various like in the seas and oceans and everything, fish, sea snake, then dolphin, snake, shark, dugang that is sea cow, octopus, whale found over there. Beside forest animal, you know very well student, fox, tiger, okay, nilgai, deer, mongoose, rabbits, wild hog, hedgehog are seen in the agriculture areas. Many birds like nightingale, parrot, peacock, beaver bird, chibri, pilak, vulture, kabar, durbagla that's seen in the roaming in this area. Wildlife and the need for conservation. Why there is a need for the conservation of the wildlife? While going through the past, it become very evident that there is a danger to existence of wildlife since few decades. Before 100 years, thousands of tigers were seen in India. And in 2014, given by the figures given by the Forest Environmental Ministry, the figure is 2226. Tiger have grown in numbers, which is evident from the imprints of their foot taken during the last few years. This is a good sign. Vultures are also verge of extinction. Due to eating the meat which becomes polluted, a delphonic drug used in the treatment of the silk milch cattle. So the vulture that eat that, so they also died. Acidic cheetahs seen in the forest in beginning of the 20th century have become extinct, means less, from India. Now lions of Gir, which were seen even up to the Middle East, are now restricted to only Gir forest only. Now lions restricted to Gir forest only with due steps taken for the protection. Now their number is 523. Once cranes was seen in large number in Gujarat, but now there is number of cranes that reduce. Wildlife is an inseparable part of living organism, but decrease in their number somewhere during the few years reduces the quality of the environment also, which is a matter of concern. Now, Shyam Garud eagle, resident of mountain forest in Gujarat, now we can see very rarely. Chilotro bird in the forest of Vijayanagar Taluka, Sabarkantha district, that also rarely seen. It is very obvious that human greed, matlab lalach, a run for the progress that disturb the environment, an imbalance of the environment, and they broke the food chain. Still, there is a time, if the proper action are not taken, then the next generation would suffer, that would see the wildlife only in picture. Now, important national parks and sanctuary this will ask in the map. Kaziranga in Assam, rhinoceros, wild buffaloes, deer. Thar desert, you know, that's situated in Rajasthan. Desert wolf, desert cat and bustard, that bird. Kanha, situated in Madhya Pradesh. Tiger, antelope. Gir National Park, you know very well students, Gujarat. Lion, leopard, chital. Velavadar, Kalia National Park, students, you know, black buck sanctuary. Wolf, peacock and bustard. Keldev, Bharatpur, Rajasthan, birds. Bandipur in Karnataka, elephant, bear, hawk, wildcat. Dachigam, situated in Kashmir. Hamur means Kashmiri deer and musk deer. Corbett in Himalayan foothills. Tiger, elephants and leopard and deer. This you have to do for the what map. Now students, why there is a dangers of wildlife? A question mark has been put against the existence of the entire wildlife. Why wildlife that become extinct? Because of human greed, lalach and development in the recent times. On examining the reasons, it is understood that wildlife has become unprotected as they lost their home, natural habitat, due to the continuously decreasing forest. People used to cut the forest. Forests are the home of the wild animals. They all became homeless. Hunting the animals because of getting the skin, meat, teeth, hair and bones is a big problem. Due to the heavy grazing by domestic animals in the forest, herbivores are deprived of their food, which result in decrease in their numbers. So it will deprive the carnivores of getting their food. That food chain totally disturbed. So these carnivorous animals attack the human settlement in search of the food and attack the domestic animals. As they approach human settlement, situation of conflict, means quarrel, arises between wild animals and the human beings. So this conflict leads the destruction of the wildlife. So human activity mainly responsible for the destruction of the wildlife. Due to the decrease in the forest area, the wild animals occasionally come within the forest habitation. So human interference in the area of wildlife result into the clash with the wild animal and human beings. So in such an incident, wild animals become victim of human rag matlab anger, and lost their lives. In south and southeastern India, elephants coming in search of for the food create havoc in the agriculture fields. Incidents of injuring and killing man by leopard taking place in Saurashtra and South Gujarat, you heard students in the newspaper, by wolf in the forest, northeastern Gujarat. A precaution is very necessary to prevent such disaster. Remedies to conserve the wildlife. How we can conserve the wildlife? A long term planning is necessary to conserve increase the forest area. We shall have to be more dedicated to implement legal provisions and strict implementation for the conservation of the forest area and wildlife. A legal process should be going on. Various non-government organization NGOs should give this top priority, and they have started the public awareness programs. These problems should be included in the school syllabus. Why this topic included? Because creating awareness among you, so future citizens are also aware about this thing. Before implementing developmental project, its probable effect of environment living organism should be examined. Cutting of large trees outside the forest area should be stopped, because in that trees many branches the nesting place for the birds, farm ponds, wetlands which are necessary for the migratory birds that are coming from the other countries. For those which are habited near any water body should be protected. An active action is urgently needed to reduce pollution. To manage the forest fire, anticipatory matlab in future forecasting planning should be taken for the patrolling and safety. Steps taken to nurture the wildlife. Since early times, laws have been framed in the country to protect the wildlife. Laws were framed to protect wildlife in the time of the great Maurya king Ashok. Fundamental duties of the citizen, directive principles of the constitution also included such things. Parliament also passed the act, those who kill the animal, that person should be punished. Recommendation of the Indian Wildlife Board. In 2014, 503 Sanctuary, 102 National Park, 14 bioreserves, 22 sanctuaries, 4 national park and 1 bioreserves in Gujarat. Some protection schemes are planned for those species which are on verge of extinction. Let us know about some more this project. Now Project Tiger. This project was launched in 1973 against hunting and decreasing number of the tigers. This was implemented for 9 reserve area under which 48 areas are reserved. Now lion project. So there was a time when Asiatic lions are found in Iran, in Asian subcontinent, but due to hunting, reduction in forest area, now lion we can see in Gir sanctuary only of Saurashtra peninsula. A large one state their number has gone below 100. In 1972 the project was started for the protection of the lion. Because of this project, a timely steps they taken, there were 523 lions according to the lion census held in 2015. In addition to this, there are other projects also. Major project among them Hangul project, okay, Barasinga deer in Kashmir, crocodile project in saline water crocodiles, rhino project for the protection of Indian rhino, and snow leopard project. Wildlife conservation is possible only if society and the government show firm determination to take steps in the right direction. It's up to us. Along with the development, we shall have to be dedicated to confirm our motto of environmental preservation. Now, question answers. Give a list of geographic regions of India. So, students, you have to write it down. This answer lies on the page number 137. Total 9 geographic reasons are there that you have to write down. Wildlife is in danger. That page number 139 is given, last paragraph, and 140 first paragraph we have to write it down. Information about different project of wildlife protection, page number 140. The last paragraph, steps for taken Project Tiger, lion project, that you have to write down. Biodiversities of India. So page number 137, in that second last paragraph, the diversified wildlife. Remedies for wildlife conservation, page number 140. The second paragraph, remedies for wildlife protection conservation. How many geographic regions in India divided into? So, geographic India divided into 9. Answer is D, student. Tick mark is wrong. Answer is D. How many species of living organisms are recorded in the world? Answer is B, 15 lakh. Where are the flying squirrels are found? Answer is D, in the western Ghats of the forest. Five flying squirrels are found in the western Ghats of the forest. Now students, which bird is rarely seen in the mountainous area of Vijayanagar Taluka? Chilotro bird. Rare species of corals are found in Lakshadweep Island. C. Where are the bustard scenes? Answer is D, in the grassland area.